Okay, I just finished at the gym. I'm waiting for my turkey bacon to finish cooking. So today I am having like a pool party slash grill here at my apartment with my family. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me to kind of prepare and go to the store and buy all the things. So let me just really quickly make a list of things that I need to get. And people are bringing lots of things, so there's not really much I have to get. So let's do pool party. Okay, main thing is burgers. So I need meat, buns, chips, corn. I'm gonna put condiments, but I think I can just find whatever I already have. People are already bringing drinks. Oh, I'm gonna get more cases of water, ice. I already have bug spray. Oh, I need more sunscreen, pool towels or like beach towels. I already have cups, plates. Oh, fruit. Maybe like a fruit tray. And then I want to try to find maybe like a pool floaty or just some pool toys. So I'll put pool toys. Tomato. That can go under condiments. So like condiment slash onion. Why'd my note app cancel? Condiments slash like tomatoes slash onions. I think that's all we need. I also might go buy a bottle of like tequila, but I think we already have it. So that's pretty much it. I also am gonna like clean up my apartment a little bit because afterwards everyone's probably gonna come up and play games, but I'm super excited. Oh, I also might get a swimsuit. Walmart low-key has some good swimsuits. So maybe a swimsuit. Okay, so after I eat breakfast, I am going to shower and then head over to my parents' house to see what they already have that I can use. Then we're gonna go to Walmart and get all the stuff for the pool party. It is supposed to be really hot today. The high is 100 degrees, but usually it feels hotter because of the Texas humidity. So it's a perfect day to go to the pool. Okay, in the Walmart with my sister. Let's go.
His dresses like went out of business, so it starts like.
Wait, these are only $9.
Where's the one I bought though?
Wait, this is only $6. Hold it up. The shark one, because we can jump on it in the pool.
Yeah, that'd be good for Austin.
Okay, get a shark. That's $7.
I'm looking for the one I bought.
Wait, hold on. Is it 7 or is it 26? Wait, no, look. The shark is 26. Put the shark back.
We can just scan it. Wait, let me see what that.
No, I
That one says.
think
chill out. Oh.
Yeah, no, the shark is 26. Put the shark back. Here, this Justice one is only. This one's only $10.
Yeah, they don't have the one I bought. So
Look, this one is cool because you can just lay on it. This is only 10.
That was $12. It's a good photo.
That one's $12.
$20.
Like, this is cool. It's inflatable tic-tac-toe, but is it worth $20?
Yes.
Probably not. I think we might get this big ball that's 7. Okay, hold on.
Oh, there's more lines.
Okay, we found the cheaper ones. There's a whole bunch of things here. Oh, yeah, this beach ball is only $3, so we'll get this one.
There's like a frisbee.
And I don't think we need a frisbee, so we're gonna get the cheaper beach ball. And then we found cheaper loungers that are only like $9.
All these on here are $5.
Okay, all of these are like $6 towels. Let me get a couple. I kind of like. No, they're soft. Okay, let's get a pink one. They're probably not that big though.
Let me get colorful.
I'll do a like this one. I think I just need 2. trying to find cute swimsuits, but Walmart is just not really hitting right now like it usually is.
Here's a large.
Okay, find the big one. Not that one.
That's right. I think this one's.
Where are you gonna put it in the cart?
Well, I can't pick this up.
Oh my gosh, pick it up.
Oh, wait. Yeah, this one's good. Best vlog ever. Looking a little suspicious.
It'll stay. Okay, so quick haul. We got tortilla chips, barbecue. These are rippled potato, more tortilla. We got hamburger buns, lettuce, ketchup, cheddar slices, some lemonade, some Dos Equis, and this is so good. So this is just from Walmart. It's pre-made margarita. The flavor blueberry is so yummy. I got another beach towel, and then we got these two different floaties and a beach ball. I already have some mango that I'm going to cut up, and then some other things that I already had, like pickles. I already have a bunch of waters that I'm gonna bring down. And then I also got this cooler because I've been needing to get one. It was only $20, so not too bad. And then I have, from my parents' house, I have this blow up thing that I'm gonna use to blow up the floaties. So I'm just gonna put everything away, and then I'm gonna start blowing up all of these blow ups. Okay, all the floaties and the ball are blown up and ready to go. Okay, so everything is pretty much ready. It's almost 4 o'clock, which is when my cousins, aunts, uncles are gonna start coming over. So over here I have all of my pool floats. Hold on, one of my cousins is calling me. Okay, so in my cart I have pretty much almost everything that's loaded up in here to take down. All the food is there, like plates, spices. I have a couple of games like Uno. I have all of the sunscreens, the bug sprays, hat, lotion, because you know the chlorine makes you ashy, and then because we all have curly hair, it also makes your hair dry, so I have some deep conditioner. And then this is a wine opener, but I'm using it for the bottle opener, and then the blow up pump. We're also going to take down this cooler, and my brother is supposed to get some ice. And then in here I have all of the cold stuff waiting, and I chopped up a bunch of mango, well 2 mangoes, and rinsed off some grapes. So super excited. It's so, guys, it is so hot outside. Where's my phone? I just checked it. It is so hot. So right now it is 98 degrees, but feels like 106, and the UV index is high, so it is really hot outside. Oh, let me show you guys what swimsuit I'm wearing, and then after that I'll see you guys down by the pool. Okay, so here's the swimsuit. It's from Shein. It's just like a high-waisted one piece. Love the high-waisted, and then this part ties. It's super cute. I'm just gonna throw back on my same shorts and t-shirt I had on earlier. My gosh, it keeps getting hotter. 99. Feels like 107.
And in your bookshelves, you're very cute.
Hey mom, let's huck that corn.
What do you need? For everybody who doesn't, hey, just slap that on again. Let them season it themselves. What? I want to be a crowd. Thank you. You should have a firm bed if you want to let me see my firm bed. Okay.
Chef Jordan finishing up the burgers. When your apartment doesn't finish the grill.
He doesn't want to go to Walmart to get propane.
Fresh pork burgers.
You want that? Here.
Okay, pool party was a success. It's like almost midnight and everyone finally just left, and I'm super tired. The grills to my apartment pool were not working, so we ended up making the burgers upstairs, but I had a lot of fun getting to see my family. It was a really nice day outside. The water was warm, so I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm super tired, so I'm going to go to bed soon, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a like, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.